Mae Effin, cwmni sy'n dosbarthu ac yn prydlesu rhannau awyrennau sifil, wedi bod yn Ne Cymru ers y cychwyn cyntaf yn 2010. Dechreuodd drwy brynu peiriannau awyrennau i'w prydlesu, ei darnio ac ar gyfer hyfforddi, yn ogystal â darparu gwasanaethau ymgynghorol.
We grew the company to 12-15 people, a couple of $1 million in revenues by 2012. The strategic turning point was in 2014 when we relocated to the facilities in Caerphilly. Moved much more into the acquisition of whole aircraft, whole engines, leasing engines and aircraft component parts trading.
Mae Effin wedi tyfu cryn dipyn yn y blynyddoedd diwethaf. Nid yn unig yma yng Nghymru, ond hefyd drwy agor canolfannau newydd yn Llundain a Gatwick.
Today the business employs 90 staff. We had revenues at the end of 2016 of $80 million.
Tyfodd Effin dros 1,100 yn ystod y 2 blynedd diwethaf. Mae 3 rheswm dros hynny. Yn gyntaf, prynodd Cafal rhanddaliad o 80% yn y cwmni. Dyma sut dechreuodd Effin allu prynu fflydiau cyfan, nid asediadau sengl yn unig. Hefyd, drwy brynu ASC fel ased, roedd Effin yn gallu cynnig gwasanaeth trwyadl i fframiau a pheiriannau awyrennau, o'r trwyn i'r gynffon. A'r trydydd rheswm dros dwf Effin i raddau helaeth yw ei staff profiadol ac ymroddgar.
So there are some key benefits to being located in Wales have been the staff availability. As a business, we started off heavily involved in power plant engineering and having British Airways located in South Wales, General Electric, Lufthansa facilities, Nordam. There's an aerospace cluster. That aerospace fosters growth, and working with the local colleges has been instrumental in us bringing in the right level of quality staff. Certainly with a power plant background and the skills and resources locally have really helped us to grow.
Cafodd Effin ei enwi'r cwmni oedd yn tyfu gyflymaf yng Nghymru yn 2016, yn y rhestr Fast Growth 50. Ac yn fuan wedyn cafodd ei enwi'r 6ed cwmni oedd yn tyfu gyflymaf yng ngwledydd Prydain gan y Sunday Times. Ar ôl hyn, cynyddodd a thyfodd parch y gymuned fusnes at Effin. Roedd busnesau ac unigolion erbyn hyn yn awyddus iawn i ganfod beth oedd Effin yn ei wneud, ac yn awyddus i ymuno ac i weithio'n agosach ar cwmni. Cyngor Effin i gwmnïau yw trafod gyda'i cwsmeriaid, i ddod i ddeall ei anghenion yn well, deall sut y mae technoleg yn newid, a bod y strategaeth glir. Mae Effin yn credu'n gryf fod delwedd ei brand mor bositif oherwydd yn bennaf ei canolbwynt clir ar ei cwsmeriaid.
The advice I would give is to have a clearly defined strategy and a clear vision of where you're heading. Without that, we wouldn't have been able to attract the talent to thrive in the environment that we're in, and we wouldn't have attracted, or unlikely to have attracted, the likes of a Carval to invest in the business in the first place.
Customer support is paramount, making sure you do what you say and you say what you do. It's taken us a long while to build up a great customer base, a great reputation, a great brand and an image, and that can be easily destroyed through the lack of customer focus. So ensuring you've got total customer support and staff aligned with the customer's interest, making sure that you're working with people, working as a team, sharing with them your goals, your objectives has been really important to business growth.